vibe, then I catch a flight. Life is a journey, it's time to live it how you like. Time to grow, time to elevate, this is what you need. Grab your ticket, yeah, this is real travel speaks. Embracing adventure, going places you never knew. This is true, if I could do what you.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today is the last water festival in Pattaya. This is a celebration across Thailand called Songkran. And on this particular day, we have a water fight, which marks the new blessings. And I'm on the way to the beach right now. I just want to show you guys what it's all about on this particular day. Well, actually, it's like the middle of the month in April. It lasts a very long time, but on this day, it's particularly the last day. And I just want to show you guys how crazy it gets. On my way to the beach right now. We got our weapon here. We're gonna have some fun. Let's go. To mention, if you see white paste on your face, that's just a cream they put on your face. It's just another kind of like another blessing, you should say. So don't be alarmed if that happened to you. It's totally normal. It comes off real easy, so just accept it and take it and have fun. Thank you.
Happy.
What's up? Thank you. Thank you. Happy Songkran. I ran out of water. I got no more water left. Oh, thank you. So it gets real crazy out here. Hold up. Last day of Songkran in Pattaya, Thailand. It gets real crazy. It's super fun out here. Today is hot, so the water has helped a lot. We're gonna make our way to the beach. Let's go. They having fun over there. All right, guys. So I am still out here past midnight. It is actually 3 a.m. Songkran officially died down. It's the last day of the Songkran. Take a look. I'm on the beach, by the way. So everything just came down to a stop. I'm going to walk back to my condo, and I appreciate you guys for tuning in, rocking with me for this Songkran Festival day. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage, and if you do want to come here next year in April. They have it every April. It's a blast, it's fun. I hope to see you here next time. All right, this Real Travel Speaks. See you guys next time. Peace.